Hello everyone. Now today we need to study the structure of diborane, that is B2H6. Now in B2H6 we know that each boron, suppose these are the two boron, these two borons are connected by hydrogen atoms, covalent bonds, and there is a very special type of bond in diborane which is known as 3-centered 2-electron bond, also known as banana bond, but more precisely it is 3-centered 2-electron bond. Now see why such bond is 3-centered 2-electron bond. I have made a diagram. I hope it is clear. Now this boron is having 3 electrons. It is forming covalent bond with 2 hydrogen and its 1 electron it is having. It is placed over here. Similarly, this boron is also having 3 electrons, out of which 2 electrons are used in the formation of covalent bonds. Now both these boron have 1 electron left and these hydrogen have 1 electron, as we all know that hydrogen has 1 electron. Now this boron has 1 electron, this hydrogen has 1 electron, and this boron again has 1 electron. But the first bonding will be formed with the help of this electron, with which this boron has this electron of hydrogen and no electron from this boron side. So 1, 2 and 3 atoms are sharing 2 electrons, one of this boron and one of this hydrogen. Similarly, the second bond is formed by the electron of this boron and this hydrogen is having its electron, not from this. So 3 atoms are sharing 2 electrons. Again from this side, 3 atoms are sharing these 2 electrons. This I have shown over here. These hydrogen are on the bridge points. These are also known as bridge bonds. Now, if we talk about the angles, then this angle, that is this hydrogen, the terminal hydrogen, this boron and this hydrogen, this bond angle is 120 degree. But this bond angle, that is inside hydrogen, boron and hydrogen, that is 97 degrees. And this bond angle, that is boron, hydrogen, boron, it is 83 degrees. So this is 120, this is 97 and this is 83 degrees. And if we talk about this bond length is greater as compared to this bond length. This bond length is 131 picometer and this bond length is 119 picometer. Now since boron has 4 bonds, its hybridization is sp3 over here. sp3 orbital of boron, this boron is sp3 hybridized, so this bond is formed by the overlapping of 2 sp3 orbital and 1 s orbital of hydrogen. On the other hand, these bonds are formed by the overlapping of sp3 orbitals of boron and s orbital of hydrogen. So remember, these three have different bond angles. 120 degree over here, 97 degree over here and 83 degree over here. And bond length is also different. This is very important also. This bond will be longer and this bond will be shorter. It is 131 picometer and this is 119 picometer. There is no need to learn the bond length. Just learn that the banana bond are longer as compared to the covalent bond. In diborane, there are 2 3-centered 2-electron bond and 4 2-centered 2-electron bond. Each boron that is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms, these 4 bonds are 2-centered 2-electron and these bonds, banana bonds, are 3-centered 2-electron bonds. Thank you.